Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got my bathing suit from this to this. Stay tuned.
All of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head. All of the things that you said, won't let it go to my head. All I care about is that bread. All I care about is that.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing something very creative. I have never done anything like this on my channel, so I'm really excited. Please excuse my nails. I'm getting them done. I know they look ratchet. I'm just waiting until I go on my vacation to get them done. Today we're going to be dyeing the orange bathing suit brown, but with a twist. I couldn't find brown dye in the store, so I decided to just use blue to hopefully, fingers crossed, that it makes that it ends up making brown, but we gonna see. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos of moi. This is the bathing suit. This is piece number 1, 2, 3, and 4 everywhere. This is the dye that I'm using. Let you guys read it. And I had to get synthetic fiber because the bathing suit is nylon, and the regular dye wouldn't stick to the fabric, is what I heard. So I'm going to be taking this old pot and filling it up with water so we can bring it to a boil. You have to maintain high temperature for the clothing to actually dye. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to fill this up and then I'll come back. So I set the water temperature to high. We're gonna let that boil, and we're gonna come back once it's all hot and steamy. Okay, so I'm getting ready to pour. Well, the water is kind of like basically boiled. I'm getting ready to pour the dye into the pot. So it says shake well before using, wear rubber gloves. Make sure you wear gloves. I didn't mention that. Wear gloves. Maintain temperature for the duration of dyeing. So keep the pot on the same, well, if you turn it on low, just keep it on that low, basically. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish detergent. That's what it says on here. And mix well, submerge. Stir consistently for 30 minutes. So I'm going to pour a half a bottle of this. I have a big pot, so we're going to see how it works. Here goes my teaspoon of dish detergent. Whatever that was supposed to do. Alright, got my gloves on now. So shake. And then we're going to pour. Alright, so here we go. So I'm now mixing it. I think I need to add a little bit more. Well, never mind. I'm not going to say that. It wasn't looking bright at first. Well, dark at first, but... Alright. My mama gonna kill me for using her spoon, but whatever, I'll buy her one back. So I'm about to add the clothes next. So I forgot one thing. It wants me to wet the fabric, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I already put the 2 pieces in. So now I'm about to put the last piece in. Alright, so it says stir consistently for 30 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna try. I see it's already changing color. I kind of like it, but I want it to be darker. So we're gonna see. We're gonna leave it in here for a little bit and see what's gonna go down. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's getting darker. I can't even tell, but I definitely want it dark. I want it darker than this. I'm not sure if I should add more dye or how I should go about that one, but I don't know. I like it though. Nevertheless, I do love it. I love the brown. That's what I wanted, like chocolate brown. But I want it a little bit more darker. So I'm gonna just keep stirring it and see what happens. I'm gonna take these pieces out because they're starting to get blue. I'm gonna leave the bathing suit in there and then see what happens. But yeah, this is starting to get blue, so I'm gonna take it out. It's not bad. I want it browner, but I'm not gonna complain, you know. It's still cute. It's still cute to me. I'm gonna leave it in here a little bit longer and see. It say I can leave it up here. It say I can leave it in here up to 60 minutes. So we gonna see, you know. And if it don't go darker, we just gonna work with it. We just gonna do what it do, make it work, and yeah. All right, so I'm finally gonna take it out. I don't see it getting any darker, honestly. So yeah, we just gonna have to work with it, you know. It's still cute. It came out really good, but I'll show you guys once it's all washed out and everything. Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day. I look a little tired. So it's the next day. It's kind of dry. Well, kind of fully dry. It's still a little bit wet, but I still plan to wash it again. So it doesn't really matter to me. I just wanted to show you guys like what it looks like dry. So yeah. So this is what it looks like dry. Y'all, I was being so lazy. I still have my bathing suit ties tied. So you see right here, this is it for the most part. Another thing is the inside of these pieces were white, so they dyed blue. You can't really see it through the skirt, so I'm not too mad about that. But that's a little discrepancy I have. But that's probably the only one. Overall, I'm really happy about like everything. So yeah. So yeah, this is how it came out. Wearing it today for the pool. I have the bottom part on, the underwear is under, you can see it kind of, and the skirt on. I didn't put the top on because I wasn't really feeling it, but yeah, I like it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of me. All right, see you guys in the next video.